Hello friends, so welcome to the tutorial HTML, the basics of HTML tutorial. So in this tutorial I will explain you the whole HTML concepts in a step-by-step approach through examples and videos. So we have made these videos for our blog Keep Learning. We have in our Keep Learning blog we are explaining all the HTML concept in a step-by-step approach by making examples of each and every concept. So the first tutorial is just HTML introduction. So I'm just explaining what is HTML. HTML is a hypertext markup language which is used to create web page and web applications. HTML consists of elements which are the building blocks of web pages like headings, paragraph as stated below. So when we display or when we render our web page on a browser, our tags and element will not display. HTML page only on browser only displays the content and visible part between the text and between the elements and tags. So let us understand the basic of HTML through an example step by step. In the step 1, just open a notepad in your system and save it as it is with the name stated there, my first page.html, and save it in any desktop or any folder. So when you saved it, just go below and just copy that code snippet from that particular image, because I can provide you the whole code, but I want you to write this code in an HTML file manually. By doing so, you will understand and you will remember the concepts and how to structure a HTML page. So here are different parts. First of all, we have mentioned the doc type HTML. What is doc type HTML? It tells the browser that hey, I am an HTML document, nothing else. So what is HTML tags? This HTML tag denotes that it is a HTML document and it is a root element of a HTML document, because HTML follows tree like structure. So in the tree, the HTML is a root element and the head and the body part are the sub elements of that root element, and all other tags are enclosed between the head or the body part. So I will explain you the body part. What is the body part is? Body parts contain the visible content of our HTML page. Whatever we want to display on our web page, we put it in a body tags. So what is head? Head is a meta information tag. Head element is used as a meta information tag, which is used to provide information, meta information about an HTML page. In that case, we have used title element. What title element is doing is, it is giving a name for our HTML page when it displays on a web browser. So this type of information will consist in the head part. So I've write all these explanation in the text portion of my blog Keep Learning. So when you copy that code in the HTML file, just save it and go to the folder where you have saved the file, and it's the time to render your web page. Just right click on a web page, and let me explain you by an example. Just when you suppose my first page is this, I've named it as first page. You can give it any name. So just right click on it and open it with any browser. So I'm opening here is the Firefox. So when I clicked on it, it will display, and you can see that it is not displaying any other content, any other tags or any other element. It is only displaying the visible part, the content part enclosed between the tags. Let me explain you from my blog. Here you can see that hello keep learning. This tag is enclosed between the h1 tags and the another text, hi, I have started learning with HTML with you. So this particular content is enclosed in the paragraph text. So this is the heading tag and this is the paragraph tag. So you can see in the example here, the tags and elements like the head tag, the body tag and the HTML tag is not displaying. Browser only displays the content part. So this is the basic HTML tutorial or basics of HTML tutorial through an example. In the later In the later videos, we will explain you about the more concepts of HTML. Thank you, and please subscribe my blog. Keep learning.